Right, this is one of my favorite activities right here. I used to do this when I was a kid, but it's called a spinner. So it's simply made by you taking a string and a button, and you just put the string through the holes of the button, like this right here. It has 4 holes, and some buttons have 2 holes, but do the opposite here. Take one string, you put it through one hole of the button, go through, and go to the opposite hole there. You got 4 holes there. Just go to the opposite hole there and pull it through till it's even, like this right here. They just tie it together here, and tie it here on this end down here with a simple knot. Alright, so a little simple granny knot, you call it, or you can call it square knot, whatever knot you want to call it. I'm going to double it up to make sure it doesn't come loose. I'm going to cut off the excess piece with a pair of scissors here. I got them. There you go. I got my scissors. Okay. There you go. Got a good tight knot there. Then I'm just going to cut off the excess right here, and then I'm going to take this end here and the other end there, and there you have it there, and you just rotate it around like this. Right, you rotate it, and then you pull on it, and you see it's spinning there. See that? Real simple toy, using your hands, and it just spins and spins and spins. Like that right there. So you can also make a double spinner if you like. Do the same thing, but just put 2 buttons on it, and you just spin it around like this again, and then you pull it and make a clapping sound. See if you can get them together here. There's my clapping sound. I'm a spinners, double spinners. And you have fun, hours of fun just doing this right here instead of other activities. There's my clapping spinner. So have fun. Thank you for watching.